This QuQuyi high-temperature silicone hose offers a generous 16.4-foot continuous length, making it easy to run long, uninterrupted lines for home or industrial setups. The inner and outer diameters are well matched for common fittings, and the silicone wall feels thick enough to resist kinking while still bending smoothly around tight corners. Because it is made from food-grade silicone that meets strict sanitary standards, it works confidently for brewing, water transfer, and other applications where cleanliness matters. The hose handles a wide range of chemicals, including many solvents, alkalis, and acids, so it suits light-duty chemical transfer and general laboratory or workshop use. Its smooth interior surface helps liquids and gases flow with minimal restriction, and also makes the tubing noticeably easier to rinse and keep clean. Between the flexible handling, broad compatibility with pumps and equipment, and the long service life of quality silicone, this hose ends up being a very practical all-purpose choice.